So this is my next shield grip, all-in-one silicone grip cover for Switch 2. Drop protection, non-slip grip, precision fit, dock compatible, made for Switch 2. And it shows compatible with Switch 2, not with these. And it just shows what's inside the box. So let's pop it open. I say very easy packaging. Okay. So here it is. In this plastic little bag. Put that to the side. And here's your silicone Joy-Con things. Covers. So let's take one Joy-Con out. And it says it's precision, so I hope it's right. Oh, this was like around $12 on in Best Buy. So yeah. And yes, I did see the D brand one there. I will get that next time. All right, that's on. So let's get the blue one on. Or let's put the Switch in first, shall we? Okay, so. All right, you can see the little logo for the for next right there. If you consider that a logo. But you can, it's not in correct. Let me pop this in. Got it. Okay, now it's aligned. Whoopsie-doo. I had to push something in. There you go. Now it's aligned. That was a oops. Like I said, you can get the kickstand. There you go. It's also dock compatible. So let's get the dock. So it says it's dock compatible. Let's see. Okay, there you go. It fits in. So yeah. All right, let's put the other one on. There you go. I also have these grip ones I bought off Amazon. I made a video on that one. You can go watch. That's good thing about silicone. It's kind of stretchy, so you can get this on nice and easy. Well, almost easy. And there, that's how it looks. Let's put it back on the Switch. Wow, it feels great. Like, I don't feel any... Definitely feels better. Much better than that plastic one I had from Amazon. Much better plastic. It just feels good. It feels much more, great. So, which I like. So, oh, look, there's me. And anyway, let's just clean the screen a little. That should be better. And, yeah, $12 in Best Buy. I'm not mad. This is pretty good. And I usually don't like silicone. But this actually feels like a good silicone. So wherever you made this next, I approve. So if you like this video, I want you to hit that subscribe button down below. Like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.